And my next guest today is Dan Migley from Impossible Objects. Great to see you, Dan.
Trevor?
Yeah.
It's great to see you again.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. So you make a fairly unique product, which is a sort of composite product that you use to build carriers for cleaning pallets and various things in the wave soldering process.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about some of the products you build.
Yeah, it's great. So, again, to your point, we are unique in that we're primarily printing out of carbon fiber PEEK.
Mm-hmm.
And it almost came by accident. We really, sometimes you're better to be lucky than good.
Yes, true.
And we were printing parts for our traditional customers, aerospace and things of that nature. And our process allowed us to do flat quite well, flat and large products. Mm-hmm. We use carbon fiber PEEK again, primarily, which has all the heat deflection temperatures required for this industry. And doesn't warp, can go through many, many cycles. It's lightweight, and it's been a great fit. We're printing wave solder pallets, selective pallets, SMT carriers, bracketing, really only limited by the creativity of the process engineers.
Right. So basically you print them as flat panels, and then you route them out to whatever you need.
It's a different process, actually. It's different than most. We're loading a substrate, whether it be carbon fiber or fiberglass, if they need conductive or insulative. We're taking a 3D design, slicing it into 2D layers, and then ink jetting the design, and we're bathing it in PEEK polymer, and doing it sheet by sheet by sheet. Then after that, we're heating that. We're taking that build block, putting it into a heated press. Heat it to the melting point of the polymer, compress it, and then sandblast out unbound material. So it's really
so that's quite a process. I mean, are you doing that so that you get a much smoother finish on corners and edging and stuff like that?
We do. As 3D printing goes, we're able to maintain tolerances of 100 microns or even below. Right. So the accuracy we can achieve is really impressive.
That's great.
The material itself is very receptive to post-machining if needed. If there's design elements that would need additional finishing, that's very easy to do, and it's a good material for that.
Right.
But it allows operators a great deal of design freedom.
Right.
That's something they've really appreciated.
Right. That's super. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's a very exciting product, and I'm glad that you came in and told us a little bit about it today. And I'm sure, have you got anything new coming up for Apex in a couple of months' time?
We're really excited. It'll be our first time exhibiting, and as much as the companies have dabbled in 3D, they've never had a material set like ours. So when they come and touch that material set, you see the light bulbs go off. So we're looking forward to Apex and just getting to be a closer part of the community.
There you go. More light bulbs.
Yeah. Right.
Great. Well, I want to thank you for coming in today, and I'm super excited for you. And I believe you actually were fortunate enough to win an award this week as well.
We were, and we're really excited about that. It validates the path we're on, and that's exciting for all of us.
That's super. Okay. Well, again, thanks for coming in today, and we'll be catching up with more of our guests after the break.
The Arch FX manufacturing platform, processing over 1 trillion data points each month, bringing value to every level of your organization. That's manufacturing insights for tomorrow.